Okay there, welcome once again to my channel. This is Mr. Hall himself, and today I'm taking you to Amedzope in the Volta region. We are setting off from Mando, which is where I stay. It is 54 minutes drive from here to Amedzope. If you are coming from Accra, you take, let's say, 4 hours to get to Amedzope. The Amedzope is a community on the Biakwa road headed towards Ho. It is very serene. They have nice waterfall. And today our journey there is to try the waterfall, try the canopy walk, and then maybe climb the mountain. But we'll see. We'll see about that side. So I'm not going to take much of your time. Let's get right into it, and then I'll walk you through what you are likely to see and what you are likely to experience, the prices, what to bring along, and all that. So stay tuned, and then let's get rolling. No, give me one. Yeah. I'm about to murder this beat. So at this point, we had to leave our car at the entrance and board this Good Samaritan who offered to pick us up with his pickup. The road is really bad, so if you're having a saloon car, you might want to reconsider joining a motorbike, or in our case, getting on a pickup. Okay, so we are here at Amedzope, and right now what we are going to do is we are going to climb the canopy walk. And this is basically the entrance to the canopy walk. So I'm going to be taking you, and you're going to come along with me, and we are just going to make this experience worth your while, worth my while as well. Okay, so here is the waiting area. When you come around, you're supposed to sit here, and then you can wait whilst one person goes to do the ticketing. Okay, so we're about to go to the canopy walk, but we are first of all going to go pay, and then we'll be giving tickets. Okay, so this is the promotional fees. Does it increase after next year? Oh, okay. So you already have any idea how much to be increased to? No, you wouldn't. Okay. So this is the fees. But these prices will not last because they are only promotional prices for now. After next year, it will be increased. If you look at the nature of cars that are here, they are all 4x4s, and for good reason. The road is really, really bad. If you're coming from the top where we parked our car, the road is really bad. So you probably need a 4x4. You can just pick a bike from the top to the side. 1999, you done the doing PhD. Like a triple H, you finish a move, not pedigree. Making a hell of more, now this be rap brutality. Oh, making a hell of more. Oh, I say making a hell of more. Oh, he got the rap master degree. Oh, he got the... Yes. So that's 259 steps to the walkway. So we are beginning. I think this is it. Another rest stop. Rest stops everywhere. Among all the rest, my team on fire, you don't wanna test. Cause when we are done, we buy you a dress. But this is my time, man. Started from the bottom up to the top, and no easy, we never gonna stop, man. Switch up his ragged, I touch in my hand, we no ball, we fucking relentless. Making a hell of more, he get the rap master degree. 1999, he done the doing PhD. Like a triple H, you finish a move, not pedigree. Making a hell of more, now this be rap brutality. Oh, making a hell of more. Oh, I say making a hell of more. Oh, he got the rap master degree. Oh, he got the rap master degree. Fella, I started started rapping back in the day, so you better settle down, fella. Spitting metaphor for your flame. Okay, so this is the view if you're at the top of the canopy walkway. So I think this walkway will be 200 meters from start to finish. We are at the first point, that is the second point, and then to the far end over there, that's the third point. So my legs are wobbly. From descending, my legs are very wobbly, man. So I'm just gonna take my time and go back. Yourself, eh?
Yeah.
I don't know. So this is my very good friend Kobe. He came along with me, and that is Anita. She joined the trip. So yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so I decided to come down into the valley and see the waterfall for myself, and this is it. Beautiful. Alright, so it took us 259 steps from the top downwards. My legs are wobbly, like it is something else. And we went on a canopy. I think that's like I said, 200 meters, start to finish. And we are done now. We'll be going up to the rest point at the top, and then we'll catch you there. Alright, so we are done with our trip for today. We are going back. We are taking a walk back. That's like 1.5 kilometers. And so when you come here, I advise you bring food along, as you are just going to have a hard time going back on an empty stomach. They don't sell food here, it's just drinks and water. So best to come prepared. For those who want to come here, you can always hit me up in the comment section, and then we can arrange a trip. So without much further ado, back I go. Making a hell of more that this be rap brutality.